Poku TV.
I really don't know who has to hear this, but bro, breast is not pure water that you be biting. Yeah? Don't do that. Don't do that. It's not both fruits that you be drinking. Don't do that. Breast, it's not calibre. Don't be doing that. It's not a competition, you know. Like, I mean, even if there is a competition for your woman's breast, it's certainly your child. What you must arrest you for competing with your own child over breast. Something as essential as that to children. I'm a walking evidence of men like you who chew breast and make it flat. Go to the internet, you see my throwback. Anyway, if a man has chewed your breast and made it flat, like the way I used to be, WhatsApp 0595-266-424. RTV Empire has the most effective breast enhancement.
What's something that you're supposed to like, but that you actually find slightly annoying?
So I'm here with my papa no.
Yeah, many papa no. Many years to me dinner, my 12 year, my 12. We just get down to fame, I guess. Yeah, many papa no. So why do me? When you come on,
She got it. I'll show me 500,000.
Mina to was share. I'm not telling you. Yeah, you see about bravery. Stand go bank. You're going to me. Tell them to president and your mom is kind of gas. Member of your Trasaco.
Thank you very much.
Trasaco.
Poku TV.